Its gears are used to step up and down the speed and the torque of the motor. So many screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just to hold the steering wheel together. It's ridiculous. They couldn't have designed some snap fits? So many screws. Can you tell I'm like, I can't unscrew any more screws. Alright, back in here we have 2 PCBAs. And this is like the cheapest PCBA I've ever seen. Really big PCBs, like very sparsely populated. You can clearly see all the copper traces, and they just like through hole solder like wires to it. Steering mechanism, so much fun. And these things are really not meant to be taken apart. They're kind of like riveted in. They're not screwed, they're riveted. So these things are not coming out until you just like, you know, saw through the rivet here. Very lubey. How they managed to make this work, they made it work with a very conventional like on-off switch, like just like a rocker switch. So this whole time, I feel like what I really should have done is disconnected the battery first. That would have been smart. But I guess, nah, this thing is probably safer. I mean, you don't want, like, this is a seat, right? You don't want the battery exploding underneath a child's butt. That would be quite disastrous. We can save this for something else. It's a really good battery. Right.